Hello, everyone. Zebec network it feels like that we are just going down to the 0.0025, and currently the price is at 0.002962.6. And in the recent video, as we discussed, that it is going to be very much ugly if we lose 31.32, which is the previous ATH, and currently you can see the coin is dumping down. But what is the good sign? You guys are just looking for the dose of opium. I was the only analyst that was bullish on this coin while the coin were having a correction and it was just losing the momentum. So just a video about the Zebec network. Before starting, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. And do not forget to hit the like button. $255 million finally the market cap left on this coin, and $18 million of volume today. Same exchange listing, and there's a roadmap coming for the Zebec network on 9th July, I think. I was reading on their social media. Now, what about the chart? What is the level? Currently, what I'm watching here, the good thing I'm just going to show you. Uh, we'll go to 4 hour frame. On a 4 hour frame, first thing, look at this. RSI is reaching at the extremely oversold area, and it is just trying to make a reversal here and consolidating around at 30s area. So it's highly oversold on a 4 hour frame. Okay. Now we will go to the 6 hour frame and only the RSI. On a 6 hour, we are reaching to the lowest like 32 oversold. What about 12 hour frame? On a 12 hour, we are also reaching at the 31 oversold. Okay. So the next level is going to be a little bit downside more, extremely oversold, like below the 29 or so. We are at the lowest. On 1 day frame, on a 1 day, it is just telling us that we are losing the support level of a 40 RSI, and the downside is very much limited. Like we are just entering into the oversold region. There's a room left on 1 day frame. What about 3 day frame? On a 3 day, it is looking like it is just free falling right now. You can see here, and we can just go back downside toward the 41 region, a 7% more down on RSI. Currently, RSI is at 47, so we can just go back downside toward this area. This is a very, very strong support level. So by watching the RSI, it seemed like the correction is just near to get over here around these areas. What about the chart? What the chart is telling us? Chart is also like so quickly dumping down, no support level, no buyback is coming on this coin. What is the level ZBCN was respecting? ZBCN was not respecting any moving averages or trend lines. It was just following the Fibonacci. Here you can see we just got rejection from the 2.618, and then we attempted 1.618 for rejection, and this is the next level 0.65 or something, which is at 0.002575. Okay, the weight is just going downside. There's a big gap and there's a no support here from this level to this level. You can see after like 29 to uh, 22, almost how much down? 24% down. We can also expect because there's a no support here. This is the only level here. Currently, we are standing at 29. It's a recent ATH for this coin, a VIX only, not a strong region. And then 27,581. I'm just looking for the buyback wick around at these area. We will go to 1 day frame. On a 1 day, this is the zone. Moving average 99 on a 1 day frame. It's a very strong level to hold, and I think so the maximum wick is just going to be like 27 or something. The weight is just going, and then we can expect a pump upside back toward here 38 region. Okay, this is the bullish scenario. As overall we are reaching at the oversold zone, and I think so the sooner pump will come on this coin toward this region, but currently it is just finding the bottom area, and I'm just waiting for the bottom wick, a buyback wick around at these level from the 25 to 27 in this region, and then coin can start moving and showing some positive movement. So here was my thought and analysis about the ZBCN. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thinking bye bye.